Hi, my name's Lockie and welcome to CivilPro. In this short video, I'll be showing you, as a testing subcontractor or surveyor, how you will be engaging with CivilPro, where you'll get test requests, how to add your results back into CivilPro, and where to check that things have been completed. Let's jump in.
When an engineer requires a test from within CivilPro, they will select the lot in which they want the test. They'll click Action on Selection and they'll create a test request. Here, they'll populate some information that will end up in your inbox. Here, we can see the geometry of the lot is pulled in within CivilPro. What this does is it randomly selects areas in which a test should be carried out by yourselves. The engineer can choose to leave it up to the tester to locate where the testing is required. Click this button, Random Stratified Testing, and what that will do is within the lot, it will calculate the number of tests and their positions randomly so that it spreads the tests across the lot evenly. Here they nominate the test that they want to do. In this instance, we'll do an NDM, 4 tests. And here they'll type in a compliance that we're looking to hit. Tests are itemized below, and here you can see random values in the X direction, which is along the control line, so a chainage, and Y direction, which is an offset from the center line. Here they can add further properties that they've pre-saved within CivilPro, and these are included in the test request, and just a point of reference. These can be as detailed or as empty as you wish. If they save the test request, they'll click on it. Tester. At this point, you'll receive an email notification that comes with the details of the test that is required. Here you'll see some itemized tests. The attachment here is a cover sheet that further describes the test and some of the compliance targets that we put in when we created the test request, along with further information. With this information, you can now go out and undertake the test itself, come back in, process the results, and get a PDF of the results ready for upload. When that PDF is ready, we'll find this email again. We'll click this number 2, which is a hyperlink back into CivilPro. This will take you back into CivilPro, into the test request. From this window here, we're going to select the Action on Selection toolbar here, and then click on Notify Result. This will automatically populate the notice to the person that requested the test in the first place. And here we'll see attachments, and this is where we're going to add our results from our test. We'll click the plus icon here, and then we'll drag into this window our test results. These are now attached, and the notification is ready to be sent. This is an example of the email that will be sent to the engineer. Here's the hyperlink that comes to this test request, a list of the attachments that you've attached and their file names. So if that all looks good, we'll click Next, and then we'll click Publish and Send. And that's going to send a notification to the engineer that an upload has been completed. And when they enter the same test request window and select this related items, they'll be able to see your upload stored against that test request. I should note that this test request register can be accessed from CivilPro, not just from your emails. So if we're going from your project window, we go into the project in question. In the menu here, Quality Assurance, Test Request, and in this window here, you'll see all of the test requests that involve yourself as the testing subcontractor. When we click into that test request, this is the same window that we're at before. So here we can select Notify Result and go through that same process again. And that is all that you'll have to do as a testing subcontractor in CivilPro. survey request, the process is very similar. The engineer will select the lot in which the survey is required. Action on selection, new survey request. They'll select survey type. They'll select the survey subcontractor to go to, a date in which it's required. Here the lot information is pulled in automatically. Here it shows the start and end chainage of the lot and the offsets of that centre line or the control line as nominated within CivilPro. Here the engineer can add tolerances they're seeking as part of the survey request. If there isn't anything nominated, these can be left as 0 and they will just be added to the survey request form that ends up with yourselves. Then they'll reach a confirmation. Once they've saved that survey test request, to the survey request, email surveyor, so it'll automatically address to yourselves, or CC to themselves, and some details about the survey requirements. Sending that notification, you'll receive an email, and the process from that point onwards is as per the testing request at the start of this video. At any time, as a testing subcontractor, you can go into the quality assurance menu, survey requests, see the open survey requests. If you wish to change the columns, you can see who that survey request was sent to and drag that into. To respond to a survey request, you click these hyperlinks here. Action on selection, notify result. As per the earlier video, click plus in the attachments, drag your survey information into here, and then click next. It'll show the email that's about to be sent, and then publish and send, and that will notify the engineer that there's a result waiting for them to review. And that's all you need to do as a survey subcontractor.